Yesterday, so
they're gonna look amazing in here. Alright guys, welcome to the video today. Today I'm just kind of vlogging and I'm going to check out Aquastudios down in the Colony, Texas, and I'm gonna go check it out and see what they have, and yeah, let's go.
Bucket full of them yesterday, so neons. My favorites, the threadfin rainbow.
Oh wow. Oh, those are really cool. I've never seen those so small.
You've never seen them?
No, I haven't.
Yeah, these are a dwarf Mexican crayfish, so they don't get big. They only get like 1.5 inches, 2 inches long. They're
so
actually
cool.
relatively peaceful, like even with betas and any kind of fish, really. I keep them in community tanks, no issues.
That's awesome.
Got some baby albino bristlenose plecos, and then some tiger barbs, green tiger barbs, albino tiger barbs, and this is these are bamboo shrimp. They have to give them something to hold on to. Oh, those are actually vampire shrimp.
That is so
yeah.
cool.
Those are called vampire shrimp.
Whoa.
They're like a bamboo shrimp. They're a filter feeder, but they send them where they can cling on to something. Because if they don't, they cling on to each other and they'll smother each other.
Oh my gosh! It looks like some of them have eggs.
Yeah, they might. And but yeah, they're a filter feeder, completely harmless, but they get pretty big.
Wow.
They call them vampire shrimp because they have their claws. They look like they have claws. They look really pointy, but if you look at them close, it's a bunch of little hairs. And when they want to feed, they just open their little hand up and spread those hairs out.
Wow.
Yeah. They're
That's
really
neat.
cool little shrimp. The Galaxy Rasboras.
Wow, look at those.
It's a really nice, really nice bashment. That's some of the nicest I've seen in a year or two.
Those are pretty cool.
Those are really, really nice. This weird pearlescent kind of yellowish orange.
Those are really pretty.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, this is where
Ooh.
plants, plecos,
Look at all of this.
shells,
Oh wow, there's so many of them.
all that fun stuff. What do we have here?
Wow.
Those the rubber lips? Wow, look how big they are! Oh. Wow! I have never seen rubber lips that big.
There's so many in there too.
Oh my god! I've never seen them that big.
That's so
awesome.
cool.
We always see them so small.
Wow.
I'm so happy about that. Common plecos.
Yes.
Yeah, those are epic.
Like,
That is so cool.
Like King Kong rubber
they
nose.
are King Kong.
Dang.
I know, right? I got a dozen females from this supplier and a dozen females from the supplier for tomorrow.
So little.
Oh, baby plecos. Oh, yes, those are really nice.
Oh.
I'll have to look at their name. I forget what they're called, but those are really
When
nice.
those will color up soon too.
Oh,
those.
yeah.
There's more of the shrimps.
So mean, but they can't do anything.
They're so tiny in there. Because, like, is they'll hang out like on a piece of wood somewhere or on a piece of a leaf and blend in as much as they can, and they just sit in high flow and just hold their little fans open in the water flow to catch food.
Alright guys, so I'm back at home now with my bag of fish. That was a fun unboxing down at Aquastudios, and I came back with 2 of these blue platies, which are going to look very nice in my pond. So we're going to go put them in now. Woo, let's go. Alright guys, here we have the pond. It's like all filled up. I don't know if I ever put this in a video, but we got some goldfish before for some people that had too many and were trying to get rid of them. So that's why we have all the bigger fish in there. But we're gonna take our little guys here, the blue guys, and just kind of put them in, let them float for a little bit. But yeah, they're gonna look amazing in here with all the other fish. We need different colors, like some blues and some yellows. So this is definitely gonna look really nice. Yeah, look, come here, Gertrude. There you go. They think they're getting fed. Oh, Marley. Look at the doggy. These, we took the bottom thing off and then put more of the sugar water in so they don't have to come out as much, but they're not as busy today for some reason. And then we fixed the top so it can vent better because we're worried they're spending too much time fanning this to get circulation. You can hear them buzzing. But yeah, they're not being very busy right now, which is weird because midday they're usually very active, and as it comes to like 4 or 5, they become very busy coming in and out and drinking water from the pond. So let's see if we can get a cool video of them. Yeah, I'm gonna move. They did not like that one bit. Yeah, one crawled on me. Okay, so we have our fish right here. We're gonna pop a hole in the bag and then let them out. He jumped. There. He's off. We have our fish right here. Got him. Really nice colors, if you can see. I'm gonna let him go. Right there. There he goes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you like seeing all those fish in there. Next video, I'll be going back to check on all those fish and see how they've colored up well, and there will be a saltwater shipment coming in that day, so y'all get to see all of them saltwater fish coming in too. So if you're in the Dallas area, make sure to stop by Aquastudios. They got all kinds of cool new fish in today and tomorrow. Well, by the time you see this, it'll be like, I don't know when, but they always got cool new fish there, and you should go check it out. It's awesome. But yeah, that all being said, thanks for watching the video today, and thank you to all my patrons. So if you haven't become a patron yet and you would like to, link down in my description. And yeah, I hope y'all like this video, and I hope you have an amazing day. See y'all.